Office Ally offers 3 ways to submit your claims: upload your claim files in Service Center, create claims directly in Service Center, or transfer your claim files via SFTP. If you're able to export your claims from another software, you can easily upload your claim files by logging into Office Ally's Service Center. Simply hover your mouse over Submit Claims and select Upload Claims. First, choose the claim type, then drag and drop your claim files, or click Browse to select the claim files you wish to upload. Once the files have been uploaded, you'll either see a confirmation or a detailed error message for each file. To enter claims directly in Service Center, start by hovering over Submit Claims and selecting Create Claims. On the Create New Claim page, you can create claims using Quick Entry or start with a blank form. Utilizing Quick Entry allows you to create claims using stored data. For certain sections of the claim, you can load data that's been stored by clicking it in the list or looking it up using the search bar of each section. Click Add New to store new data, or click Edit or Delete to manage stored data. Once the information you want to pre-populate has been chosen, click Create New Claim. The full claim form will be displayed, pre-populated with the information you selected. You can save a draft at any time by clicking Save Draft. Once you're ready to submit the claim, click Send. If any error messages pop up, first resolve them, then click Send again. Once the claim is queued, you'll see a page that shows the claim ID number, confirming that your claim is queued for processing. Clicking Start with a Blank Form will open a blank online version of the claim form you've selected. Either enter the claim information or load saved information by clicking on the load links throughout the claim. You can save a draft at any time by clicking Save Draft. Once you're ready to submit the claim, click Send. If any error messages pop up, first resolve them, then click Send again. Once the claim is queued, you'll see a page that shows the claim ID number, confirming that your claim is queued for processing. Another method to submit your claim files to Office Ally is file transfer via an SFTP account. This method is utilized by companies with an IT team that can set up an SFTP. For SFTP connectivity details, please refer to the companion guides under the Third-Party Software Submitter section of our Resources page. For additional information on how to use the new Service Center, view the new Service Center User Guide.